Did you know that some of the most mind-blowing sci-fi films were made on a shoestring budget? Crazy, right? Have you ever watched a sci-fi flick and thought, how did they pull that off without a Hollywood budget? Today, we're diving into the wild world of budget-friendly sci-fi movies that truly prove you don't need a mountain of cash to create something spectacular. From jaw-dropping visuals to captivating stories, these films show that creativity and originality can triumph over a hefty budget. Whether you're a die-hard sci-fi fan or just looking for something fresh to watch, these gems are sure to captivate you. So, grab your popcorn, and let's explore how these filmmakers turned limited resources into phenomenal cinematic experiences. Now, let's talk about a common misconception in the film industry. Many people believe that a higher budget automatically translates to better films. But in reality, that's not always the case. Sure, big studios can throw money at special effects and star-studded casts, but sometimes it's the smaller, indie productions that deliver the most innovative and engaging stories. Finding quality sci-fi films on a budget can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. You might scroll through endless lists of big-budget blockbusters, thinking that's where the excitement lies. But trust me, there's a treasure trove of low-budget sci-fi films that will blow your mind if you just take the time to look. So, let's dive into our first movie, Moon. Released in 2009 and directed by Duncan Jones, Moon tells the story of Sam Bell, a man nearing the end of a 3-year stint mining helium-3 on the dark side of the moon. With a budget of just $5 million, the film relies heavily on its thought-provoking narrative and the stunning performance of Sam Rockwell. The isolation and existential themes are beautifully executed, proving that you don't need flashy effects to create a gripping atmosphere. Now, let's move on to our second film, Coherence. This 2013 indie film, directed by James Ward Burkett, is a real hidden gem. With a budget of around $50,000, it takes place during a dinner party that descends into chaos when a comet passes overhead, causing strange occurrences. The entire film was shot in just 5 days, mostly with improvised dialogue from its talented cast. It's a brilliant example of how a tight budget can foster creativity, leading to a mind-bending narrative that keeps you on the edge of your seat. Let's get to the good stuff. In Moon, one of the key moments occurs when Sam discovers a shocking truth about his existence. The emotional weight of this revelation is amplified by the film's minimalistic approach, making it all the more powerful. It's a moment that sticks with you long after the credits roll, showcasing how storytelling can triumph over special effects. In Coherence, the climax hits when the dinner party guests realize that their realities are fracturing and duplicating. The tension escalates as they grapple with the consequences of their actions and the nature of their reality. This mind-bending twist leaves viewers questioning everything they've just seen, proving that sometimes a simple setup can lead to incredibly complex and engaging storytelling. So, to wrap things up, both Moon and Coherence demonstrate that you don't need a colossal budget to create a memorable sci-fi experience. These films remind us that great storytelling, innovative ideas, and compelling performances can shine brightly, even in the face of financial limitations. If you're looking for something fresh and exciting, don't overlook these masterpieces of creativity. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite low-budget sci-fi films? Drop your recommendations in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content on underrated movies that deserve a spotlight. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.